Types of friction. Objects are in motion when they change position over a given amount of time. Friction is a force that resists the change in motion. Now there are 4 types. There's static, rolling, sliding, and fluid. Static is where forces acting on objects that are not in motion. Examples of static friction would be pushing a boulder and it doesn't move, or pulling a horse that doesn't want to move. Rolling friction is a force that resists the motion of a ball or a wheel. Examples of rolling friction would be pushing a grocery cart or kicking a soccer ball. Sliding friction is the force that resists the motion of 2 objects sliding against each other. So for example, you could be sledding down a hill or rubbing hands together. Fluid friction is the force that resists the motion of objects between layers of fluids like liquids and gases. Fluid friction is also known as air resistance. That's the force that opposes the motion of objects in the air only, and drag, force that opposes the motion of objects in liquids and gases. So air resistance is a form of drag. Examples of fluid friction would be skydiving and swimming. Name that friction. This is rolling friction. Name that friction. That's fluid friction. Thank you for watching another Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Adventures in ISTEM and Beyond videos. For more ideas on how to incorporate science, technology, and skills for life into your classroom, go to adventuresinistem.com.